These skeleton-style shorts are blowing up. Some channels are getting millions of views, thousands of subscribers, and they're not even showing their face. Today, I'll show you exactly how these videos are made and how you can create your own in just one click. First, open your browser, and yeah, you can do this from your mobile as well. You can use any AI video generator. I'm using Grok AI for this tutorial. First, make sure you've selected the aspect ratio of 9:16 because we're creating a shorts video. And then, paste this prompt. This prompt tells Grok to create a gym tutorial video featuring a silicone skeleton character demonstrating the exercises. Don't worry, you can get this prompt in the description. I've also provided an additional prompt template where you can create your own skeleton video based entirely on your concept and ideas. All you need to do is provide some details. All right, the video is ready. Let's watch it.
Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Bend at your hips and knees to grip the bar. Keep your back straight and chest up. Lift the bar by pushing through your heels.
Perfect. This is exactly what we wanted. With just one click, you get the complete skeleton video with audio narration, no need for editing or dubbing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.